They may be cute and fun to watch, but they can also spell disaster for your home. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about controlling squirrels right after this.
It's beginning to feel a lot like summer, and the Home Depot has savings on everything you need to get it started this Memorial Day. Step up your grill game with propane griddles from NextGrill for the perfect smash burger. Then feast with your friends and family around a new patio set from Hampton Bay. However you plan to kick off summer, the Home Depot has savings on everything you need to do it right. Feels like Memorial Day at the Home Depot. How doers get more done.
Squirrels can be entertaining, and they always seem to be the first in line at the bird feeders. But these furry little entertainers are not that friendly when it comes to your home. Squirrels are often responsible for damaged wood around your home where they chew through to gain access into the attic. They even chew up lead roofing pipes just to sharpen their teeth. And if they ever do get into your attic, they create nests, leaving smelly messes, and can even chew wiring and create a potential fire hazard. Professional pest control is your best option for removing the squirrels, but you can lessen their desire to get inside by creating a separate feeding area away from your home and stock it with 2 of their favorite snacks, peanut butter and sunflower seeds. You're happy, they're happy, and you save your home from damage. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.